And I'm Sneha, our host for today. A very warm welcome to our beloved sisters, teachers, mentors, and fellow students. Today is the one day we get to say thank you to the people who taught us everything from algebra to how to survive a surprise test with dignity. And let's be honest, surviving a surprise test is a life skill. Here, we ask to celebrate those superheroines who don't wear capes but do carry a red pen and have a power to change lives. Yes, it's Teachers' Day. Our theme this Teachers' Day is Seeds of Hope, Blossoms of Tomorrow. Because every lesson, every word of encouragement, and every I know you can do better is a seed planted in the garden of our future. और सच कहूँ तो जब टीचर मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स से बात करूँगी कहते हैं तभी असली मोटिवेशन आता है। तो चलिए आज के परफॉर्मेंसेस में होगा डांस, ड्रामा और थोड़ा इमोशनल ओवरलोड भी क्योंकि दिल से निकलता है। थैंक यू टीचर्स। Let's enjoy the performances, the laughter and the heartfelt tributes, all dedicated to incredible teachers who help us blossom into who we are meant to be. Welcome to our Teachers' Day celebration. Seeds of hope, blossoms of tomorrow. After all the laughter and light-hearted moments, it's time to pause and reflect. Prayer is not just a ritual. It's a way to express gratitude, seek wisdom, and invite peace into our hearts. And let's be honest, we can all use this little divine intervention before the next math class.
We thank you for planting in them the seeds of knowledge, patience, and compassion. May their efforts blossom into futures filled with promise and purpose. Bless every teacher with strength, joy, and the fulfillment that comes from shaping young minds.
A reading from the book of John. Very truly, I tell you, unless a grain of wheat falls to the ground and dies, it remains only a single seed. But if it dies, it produces many seeds. The word of the Lord.
Reflection. Jesus reminds us that a single grain must fall and die to bear fruits. In the same way, teachers give of themselves, sacrificing time, energy, and comfort to plant seeds of knowledge, hope, and values in their students.
Faithful, our response shall be, Lord, bless our teachers. For the management, Heavenly Father, we thank you for blessing us with this institution of learning. We lift up our college management to you today. Bless them with wisdom, patience, and understanding as they guide us in the right path. Grant them strength to make fair decisions, courage to face challenges, and compassion to care for both staff and students. Our response. Executive Ms. Summer Gonsalves from SY to welcome everyone with a heartfelt note.
On behalf of all the students, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our respected manager, who is always a pillar of support to our college. A special welcome to our principal, whose vision and guidance help us grow each day. With deep respect, I welcome our dear teachers, who truly are the seeds of today that blossom into the future of tomorrow. And of course, a sincere welcome to our dedicated non-teaching staff members who work tirelessly to make our college a better place. The theme of today's celebration, Seeds of Hope, Blossoms of Tomorrow. Our teachers plant the seeds of knowledge, values and inspiration in us. And with their care, patience and dedication, those seeds grow into beautiful blossoms.
Saying that teachers are the true nation builders. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We invite Ms. Sana from SY to share few words.
डॉक्टर राधा कृष्ण का जीवन हमें प्रेरित करता है कि हम शिक्षा को केवल रोजगार का साधन ना माने, बल्कि अच्छे इंसान बनने और समाज की भलाई के लिए इसका उपयोग करें। धन्यवाद।
A gentle tone to make us feel we are not alone. So soft-spoken heart, so warm, so true, the world will brighter because of you. In every act, big or small, you lead a hand, you care for all. So friendly, so kind, always near, a precious soul we hold so dear. In every task, you are there to guide, with a gentle care right by our side. So kind, so friendly and always near, you fill our heart with joy and cheer. It's our dearest Miss Nirmala.
कॉलेज को साफ रखे सुंदर, टूटे फूटे सब ठीक कराते, सिस्टर सरोजा का राइट हैंड कहलाते, दिल के अच्छे प्यार से बोले न कभी कच्चे, उनकी सेवा उनकी शान हम सबका है उन पर मान। रमेश सर सुन लो बात, दिल की छोटी सी एक फरियाद, रिसेस की घंटी बजाते देर से, हम सब भागे सपनों के फेर से। बस एक छोटा निवेदन है आपसे प्यारा, घंटी बजाओ टाइम से सारा।
Just like our teachers do, always giving their best, always lighting up our paths. So, to honor their spirit, we present a dance to the song Apna Har Din Aise Jeevo, because every day is a chance to celebrate, to learn and to grow. This one's for you, dear teachers. Let the music begin.
and emotions. Let's hear from someone who leads vision and values.
शिस्तीत चालतो वर्गशाला कडक शब्दांनी शिकवण भारी. प्रत्येक वाक्याच्या शेवटी पुन्हा उंचते नेहमी समजलं का. रागामध्येही माया धरली आपल्यासाठी मेहनत केली. मनात आहे प्रेम अपार मिस ललिता आमच्या खरंच महान.
You guide us gently day by day. In kindest words, you show the way. Your care is like the morning sun. It warms the heart of everyone. With patience, deep and love so true, we are better people because of you. No firm in a teaching, she always guides us with patience and kindness. Our dearest Miss Arpana.
Presenting a creative skit prepared by the FY and SY students.
वार्निंग, जितना एक्टिंग शेक्सपियर का होता है उतना ही थोड़ा लेकिन बॉलीवुड का एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा.
Scene 1. The courtroom opens. Judge bangs the desk with a scale instead of a hammer.
Silence in the class. I'm in court. Today here we are for a serious discussion. Students versus teachers.
Yes. Today, the students have finally gathered courage to question their teachers for the crimes of homework, punishments, and endless exams. Scene 2. The accusations.
सुनवाई शुरू की जाए. Your Honor, and my first charge. Teachers gives us holiday homework. I would like to call reference number 1.
गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ. जो बोलोगे सच बोलोगे. सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बोलोगे.
मैं कसम खाती हूँ. Yes, Your Honor. They say enjoy your holidays and then give us 20 pages of math, 3 projects and 5 essays. What kind of enjoyment is this? Next charge. Witness number 2.
गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ. जो बोलोगे सच बोलोगे. सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बोलोगे.
मैं कसम खाती हूँ. Your Honor, science teacher gave us so many diagrams, lungs, heart, kidney, so that now I can open a medical. अरे वाह future doctors. Witness number 3.
गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ. जो बोलोगे सच बोलोगे. सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बोलोगे.
मैं कसम खाती हूँ. Your Honor, English teacher says don't eat in class, but she keeps on talking. Apple of my eye, piece of bread, bread without. How can I not feel hungry? Why do we look at that?
Scene 3. The teachers defend themselves. Your Honor, I would like to call upon the first accused, the maths teacher, to the witness stand.
Your Honor, I would like to call upon the witness number 1.
I gave homework because without practice, maths is like a samosa without chutney. Tasteless.
But ma'am, too much of chutney also causes stomach ache. Your Honor, I would like to call upon the second accused, the science teacher, to the witness stand.
Your Honor, I would like to call upon witness number 2.
गीता के हाथ रख के कसम खाओ जो बोलोगे सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बोलो
मैं कह सकता हूँ. And Ariba, the diagrams are for your knowledge. If I don't want you to grow up calling the heart a pumping thingy.
But at least I'll remember it pumps to take me away in the exam. Your Honor, I would like to call upon the third accused, the English teacher, to the witness stand.
Your Honor, I would like to call upon witness number 3.
गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ जो बोलोगे सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बोलो
मैं कसम खाती हूँ. And in English class, I say piece of cake because I believe sweet success for my students.
Then at least give us a piece of cake, ma'am.
Scene 4. The judge's funny test. Okay. To know who is guilty, I will ask few questions. But whoever answers in the funniest way wins. Advocate Sara, please witness number 1. Witness number 1, please go to the witness stand. So my first question is, what is the formula of water? Cold plus bottle is equal to water. Advocate Sara, please, next witness. Witness number 3, please go to the witness stand. My question is, who is Shakespeare?
The man who made English so difficult that we still suffer.
Advocate Sara, next witness. Witness number 3. Why do teachers scold us? Because without scolding, their calories won't burn. Order. Scene 5. The verdict. Okay. After hearing from both the sides, I have decided teachers are not guilty. They are just crazy in the love for their students.
Yes, behind every homework, scolding, and exam, there is care. Teachers want us to become better humans. So today we say,
Court dismissed.
Another inspiring address awaits us, once again from the FY.
your voice may rise, your tone be strong, to guide us right, to show what's wrong. Strict in your ways, yet kind in your care. A teacher like you is honest and rare. With mother's love, you help us grow. More than you say, more than we know. Your
It is none other than our dearest class teacher, Miss Kanchan.
You scold us loud, then laugh out too. No one has fun as kind as you. With every joke you make us smile. You are friendly when we need a friend. A little strict, but that's all right. You guide us with a shining light. Miss Sinera, you are not only a teacher, but a mentor to us.
Ready to turn up the energy because our next performance is all about joy, rebellion and living life to the fullest. Coming up is Dance 2 by spectacular SY students, and they are bringing the house down by not one but two electrifying tracks, Matan Masti and All Is Well.
Yes. So sit back, smile wide, and let the rhythm take over. Give it up for Dance 2 by the Empire.
Students and teachers both feel fear. Yet in her eyes a mother's care. She dreams her children with rise and care. Senior कहते बहुत ही lenient. Junior पे प्यार, rules पे silent. But deep inside her aim is one. Success for all beneath the sun. With Bible words and lessons strong, she shows us right, corrects the wrong. That में भी छुपा है प्यार. Sister Saroja is a guiding star.
Is a soulful शायरी performance by our talented FY students, Mariam and Marisha.
अभी स्टेज पे वो बातें आने वाली है जो सिर्फ सुनाई नहीं जाती, महसूस की जाती है. केयरफुल टीचर, दिल छू जाए तो हम जिम्मेदार नहीं.
आपकी डांट भी दुआ जैसी लगती है. आपकी सीख भी दवा जैसी लगती है. आपकी डांट भी दुआ जैसी लगती है. आपकी सीख भी दवा जैसी लगती है. टीचर्स डे पर बस इतना कहना है,
आसान है, उनके बिना सहजता हर इंसान है, नहीं? टीचर्स डे पर यही है मेरा पैगाम, टीचर रहे हमारी सलामत।
Thank you. My dancers are here to mix tradition, swag, and a whole lot of footwork into one explosive performance. So fasten your seatbelts, or better yet, loosen them, because this mashup is about to mash your mood into joy.
रेडी विथ हुंकार, क्योंकि FY के डांसर्स फुल एनर्जी के साथ आने वाले हैं। गिव इट अप फॉर FY।
माझी शान तू पाहून तुला झालं बेहाल नको दिसली तर तुझे झाला तर माझा मसुरी मानी बेहाल नको कोणी वयाची हो कोणी वयाची